Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about the HiMirror. You guys have probably seen the HiMirror in lots of my videos. I have one right there sitting, but I also have a new one. HiMirror did send me this complimentary just to test out and see how it works and everything. So it's like they gifted it to me. So I was very appreciative because I love now having two of them. I can use one for like when I'm doing my makeup and stuff, and then one for skincare. Honestly, you don't need two, but I do have two, and if I find that I'm not going to end up using two, I'll give the other one to my mom. But either way, it's pretty cool having two right now to do videos with and everything because the mirror is really large. So if I'm doing a makeup tutorial, it's nice to have it right here. But anyway, the reason I want to talk to you guys about the HiMirror is because it has some fantastic features that I'm not sure that you guys are familiar with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys all the features it has. I'm also going to discuss like if it's helped me or anything like that in any way. So I find that the HiMirror for me is just very helpful in understanding skincare and understanding how skincare works. So for me, it's really cool. Not only that, if you use a mask, you can tell if that mask was helpful or not. And then you can also tell if skincare is helpful. You can tell if you need to change out your skincare. So it's going to tell you if your skincare is working or not. So I really like it because of that as well. So I am going to show you guys a little review or preview of everything that this little HiMirror does. You're going to find that it does some amazing things. Not only that, I feel like it can be added onto because it does have a scale that you can purchase to go along with this as well. So if you're like trying to watch your weight and things, it has a scale that you can purchase to go along with this. So that's pretty cool as well. So I'm going to flip you guys to my iPhone camera so you guys will be onto a different camera. And I'm going to show you how the features on this actually works and let you guys know some details about it and whether or not I feel like it is a product that you should purchase or not. Because like I said, I mean, if I have one here and I have another one, I think you guys probably already know that I think it's worth it, right? So hang tight. I'm going to switch you guys to the iPhone camera because I can't find my other, like the vlogging camera. So we're just going to use that because I wanted to get this out to you guys so you can start seeing it. So maybe you want to add this to your Christmas wish list. That's when I got mine as well. So it's a really cool tool. So hang tight. Alright guys, so this is the actual HiMirror, what it looks like. Mine right now is charging my iPhone, so it can charge your phone if you need it to as well, which is awesome. So like if I'm sitting here doing a YouTube video, I don't have to worry about charging my phone. So you can see me as well in the mirror. I think the color to it is fantastic. I never have to adjust anything, but you can adjust it. So I'm going to first turn it on for you guys to show you the color, like how bright it is. So we'll hit this button right here and that's going to turn the lights on. And once you've turned the lights on, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it says an outdoor sunny day. So you can change it to a bright office room. So you can flip this down, slide this over to a bright office room so it'll change the color. You can change it to a supermarket. So depending upon, my hands are like, I have no oils on my hands so it's hard for it to recognize. There's a supermarket lighting. Then you have the restaurant or a party room. So here's that lighting as well. So as you can tell, the lighting is definitely changing each time. And then sunset. So if you want to know how your makeup's going to look in the evening when the sun is setting and you're on your date with your husband, that's pretty cool as well. You can change the brightness and intensity as well so it can get brighter, or you can make it dimmer. So that's really cool. Now that's, to me, is a really awesome feature alone by itself, is how you can change the lighting and everything. But this thing has so many more features that you guys are going to be completely amazed by it, especially for the price. So we're going to click this little button here. You're not going to hardly see it. I'm going to see if I can get you to be able to see that little thing right there. See that right there? We're going to hit that. So if you hit that, oh, hang on. Let's go. All right, so now we're on to this thing right here, and it has my name and everything on it because it's already registered my face. So when you're logging in at the top here, you're going to hit that, and then you're going to log in, and it's going to recognize your face as well as your voice. So it has a skin analyzer, as you can see, which is going to analyze your skin to let you know if your skincare is working. It has high skin, it has body fitness. Like I told you guys, it does have a capability to connect to a scale as well. It has Makeup Studio. It has Beauty Box. Beauty Box is really cool because Beauty Box will tell you some products that'll work the best for your skin. Not only that, you can actually add items to the Beauty Box. So let's click on there. So see, you can add items to it. It looks like you're opening up a medicine cabinet. It's really awesome. I like that tool as well. So let's click the back button and then we'll go out of there. Actually, let's click here. Okay, we'll get out of there. All right, so now we're back to here. Then you have HiTube, which HiTube is different than YouTube because it is pretty much YouTube. But the difference is with HiTube, you can actually scroll the screen so you can still use the mirror. The mirror still is fully capable to be used. I have mine set up on, so like if you don't have I have the membership through YouTube. I couldn't think of what it was called, YouTube. So if you have the membership, then you can actually close it out and you don't have to actually watch the show. Like if you're someone who's like me, I like to just listen to a show while I'm getting ready. You can connect it, as you can see, to Facebook. You can check to see what is skin safe. So you'd have to install this app here. So we're gonna not do that one right now. But it also has Spotify, and then here's YouTube. So you pop it up, and then the YouTube is actually going to pop up right here. You'll see that I have YouTube Premium. And then you're going to see some videos that are in there. So I've been watching some scary things, as you can tell. And of course, some Christmas DIYs, because you guys know I love the DIYs. And then we've got some other recently uploaded videos from people. So it's just really nice that you can actually watch a video on here without actually, so like there's Jen Loves Reviews. Look, there's our good girl. Look at this. So then it'll,
hello, my friend.
It'll play.
It is my favorite time of the month. It is favorites and fails time, where I count down from the worst product I tried all the way.
So
to
now
the best
you can
product I
see
tried this month.
that it actually has a really good speaker as well. I think the speaker to it works really well. You can turn it up if you need to. And then, like I was saying, if you want, if you have YouTube Premium like I do, so you can actually click play again.
And we've got
then we can go out of here.
Things in here. So if you're
So
interested in seeing
click back, and you can see that I'm still listening to the YouTube video while I'm getting ready without having to actually be in that actual app. So we'll go back in here and we'll click out of Jen. We love you, Jen. We'll watch you later. So anyway, so that you can watch YouTube videos as well. So that, I think that's very cool. So if you're someone you like to listen to YouTube videos, or if you like to listen to music, there's music on here as well you can add. So it's got Instagram, YouTube, Pandora, Duo, Google Duo, your daily horoscope. It also connects to your Amazon Alexa. So if you connect it to your Amazon Alexa, you can actually order things from your mirror as well. So if you have skincare products that you're perhaps running out of, you can do that. So it also has, of course, the skin analyzer, which is one thing that I absolutely love. I just recently I just recently checked my skin. So you can see that things have not changed. Some things have not changed. My pores are still unchanged. My red spots, I don't know if you're going to be able to see where it says red spots. Okay, there we go. My red spots are not changed. My dark spots are not changed. My, what is this one? This is wrinkles. So wrinkles have gone up by 0.7%. My dark lines have, no, fine lines have not changed. My roughness has not changed. But look at that. Dark circles have gone down by 3.5%, which probably means I got some good sleep. So this is going to tell you how your skincare is doing for you and everything. So it's really cool. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to do a measurement with you guys so you can see how it actually works. Hopefully I'll be able to hold my phone correctly so you can see as I'm doing it. Let me see here. Okay, so I'm going to start a measurement. And what you're going to do is you're going to push your face. Hang on. Oh, that's the other thing. See this right here where it's telling me to push the camera cover? So if you don't want the camera on at all times, all you have to do is click this little button here and it turns the camera off. So it's going to show you, it's going to measure my face.
3, 2, 1.
I was looking at y'all. Okay, so let's see what it says about my skincare. Let's see if it says that my skincare is working or if it needs some changes. Let's see here. It's analyzing. It doesn't take too long to analyze, honestly, so it's pretty quick. Comes back with some information for you. There we go. So my dark spots are down by 0.65%. Those two things are unchanged. My wrinkles have gone down by 1.08%. My fine lines have gone up. My roughness has not changed. My dark circles have gone up. So evidently I'm tired. Okay, so the other thing you can do as well is up here in the corner, you're going to see where you can click on this button right here. You click that and it'll give you a time lapse. So it'll do a time lapse of all the things that you've done for your skincare. So I'm going to try to zoom it so you can see. It's really weird because it's like almost like a hologram of yourself. So you can do the time lapse of yourself as well. So you can see how your skin is changing over time to see if the skincare regimen that you're using is working. Okay, so now we'll go back out of here. So those are, to me, some of the most important things about this. It does have, like I said, a speaker built into it. It has all kinds of features as well as doing your makeup studio. So makeup studio, you can actually go in and you can do like a sample on to see how the makeup's going to look on you. So you can select a photo. Let's see, we'll do her here. All right, so let's see what it does. Hopefully you're able to see everything I'm seeing here too as well. All right, so switch between camera mode and photo mode. Okay. So you can add makeup onto yourself is what it's going to do. It's going to take a picture of me, and let's see if we can get that background light out of there. Hopefully you can see. Get that background light out of there as much as I can.
3, 2, 1.
So there it is. Oops, I had my head cut off. No, I didn't. I was showing you, hopefully. All right, so now you can add things to your face as you're doing it. So you can see it already put some lipstick on me. Do you see where it put a little bit of lipstick on me there? It's hard to see when you're trying to show it in a video, so I'm sorry, guys. So you can even change your foundation. So you can add some foundation to your skin. So this one here, you can choose your foundation color. So let's choose, oh, it's saying, I guess it's choosing this color for me. So let's see what after it puts the foundation on. Let's see if we get a little bit darker with the foundation. Oh, that's looking pretty good. So there is the foundation on, or you can do blush, and then blush will add it to your cheeks. See how it added it to my cheeks there? I don't know if you can tell it or not. And then we'll go with a different shade. So you can try your makeup on before you buy it. So it's pretty cool. You can kind of do a makeover on yourself, and you don't actually have to use any makeup, so you can see how it's going to work for you. So I like that aspect as well. I think that's pretty cool. Let's see, what else can I show you? But I think honestly, oh, the other thing, of course, is it's going to show you the weather. So it'll show you the weather. It'll show you the news. Let's see. I think it shows you the news in the corner, but I'm not sure where it shows you at. Oh, okay. So it's going to give you some body fitness goals as well. It's going to, yep, there's the news. I knew it had news on here somehow. I used to click it. So it's got the BBC news, and then body fitness, and then the skin analyzer. What was that? Oh, that was body fitness. And then that is it for that way. So anyway, I think this is a very, very unique tool. If you guys are interested in it, I totally recommend it. I think it's going to be very, very helpful for me and my skin. I love how it makes my skincare easier so that I know what's working and know what I can stop using. So for me, I really love it. So I'm going to flip you guys back to my regular camera and talk to you a little bit more. Okay, so final wrap ups on the mirror that I just showed you guys, the HiMirror. It is the HiMirror Mini. I really, really enjoy having this because I find that I use it quite frequently trying to figure out if skincare is working for me. Also, it helps me to actually organize my skincare items. So I think it's really cool like that. Plus, you guys know I'm a big YouTube fan. I love watching YouTube. Not only do I like doing YouTube, I also like to watch it. So if I'm doing my makeup and everything, I can put my mirror on and listen to a YouTube video, have my phone charging, have it all working together, and do my makeup and use the different lighting situations so you can figure out, like, say you have a date night and you're like, look, we're going to be out. We have a date night at the sunset, so you can check to see how good your makeup's going to look at that point. So to me, I just think it's a really cool tool, and I think for $119, I think you cannot beat it for as many features as it has. I know for sure I used my first one a ton, and it still works great. So I've had mine for a year, almost a year. It'll be a year in December, and it works fantastic still. So, and they do have updates that it'll update for you, so that's really cool as well. And then if you log out of it, it will, all you have to do to log back in is up at the top of the screen. Like I showed you guys, you'll hit that button and then it'll recognize your face and then log you back in. So you could actually log it out. So if you don't want people to see your information and things like that, you could log it out. You can also, like I said, turn off the camera. So if you don't want a camera like sitting in your room that's open, which some of us understand that because it's just a kind of like a safety feature. So I think it's really, really nice though. If you guys are interested in it, I will have all the information listed below for you guys to check it out. I love it. So thank you so much to HiMirror for gifting me this absolutely amazing mirror, because like I said, I find that it's super useful for me and my skincare because I am getting to an age where I need to make sure that I'm using good skincare that's helpful for me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.